The video editing trends are changing every year. If you get back to the year of 2014 or 15, then the videos was simple with just basic cards and some text. After that, introduced stock clips and some basics motion graphics. Then we saw the advanced motion graphics called retention editing that use Mr. Beast or many YouTube superstars. Now the trends are changing to a new way that I will cover in this video with some examples. And also I will cover the problems of retention editing and how you can implement this style in your videos before everyone else start doing it. Hi, I am Sushant, full-time video editor, part-time freelancer and a passionate content creator. So now, what is the retention editing? The main aim of retention editing is to keep the audience hooked in the videos. Like watching videos is a passive work. We are just sitting on a chair and play a video and just start watching this, and we don't move anywhere. So that's why हम लोग बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाते हैं. Mainly in retention editing, you see हर एक 2 सेकंड में या फिर 3 सेकंड में कुछ ना कुछ स्क्रीन में प्ले होगा. लाइक हो सकता है वो कोई ग्राफिक्स हो, कोई इफेक्ट्स हो, कोई वीएफएक्स हो, एसएफएक्स हो, कुछ भी. मतलब हर एक 2 सेकंड में कुछ ना कुछ प्ले तो होगा स्क्रीन में. लाइक यू सी इट इन मिस्टर बीस्ट वीडियोस. इन एवरी 2 सेकंड यू सी समथिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन and due to algorithm just love this. As a result, you can see the Mr. Beast videos. All of the videos are getting millions views. Now, what are the problems of retention editing? Now, this is kind of what things get a bit interesting because what I noticed from doing retention editing is firstly you provide less value to your audience. And at a point I realized YouTube is not about the views and subscribers. Yeah, it's nice. But the more powerful thing with YouTube is to building a good relationship with your audience and creating a good community with them. And that's really very hard to do अगर आप सिर्फ retention editing के ऊपर वही फोकस करोगे तो. Let's see an example. सोचो आप किसके साथ डेट में गए हुए कैफे में. You are just talking to them and want to know each other. And for option 2, instead of cafe, you choose a club for the same day. Now here are some loud musics, many peoples, fancy lights. It's much harder to build a genuine connection with them. And for problem 2, you earn less money. Real wealth on YouTube is not really about built through the ad revenue. It's built through selling some products or service to your audience. So now retention editing problem यही होता है कि आप younger audience को attract करते हो जिन लोग attention span बहुत ज़्यादा कम होता है. So if you are trying to sell something to your audience, they are less likely to buy it because people buy from those that they trust. So then what is the new style of editing? Well, I like to call it authentic editing. यहाँ पे पहले ऑडियंस को वैल्यू वेट करते हो, बिल्ड अ कनेक्शन सेकंड, देन कीप योर व्यूअर्स वाचिंग थर्ड. सो लेट मी शो यू सम एग्जांपल ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स हु यूज दिस स्टाइल. द फर्स्ट इज वालिया ऑनलाइन. सो आप देखोगे जस्ट एक लैपटॉप में कुछ नोट्स लेके वीडियो बनाया विद सम लेस एडिटिंग.
You're doing something that requires a university degree, then of course you have to go to university. Like, it makes a lot of sense. But I also like to make the case that you can make money without having to go to university, and I'm the prime example.
Just because he want to provide value to his audience, but इनका प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. The second YouTuber guy is here called Hench. Just notice how raw and authentic he is when he is talking to camera. Also, this is with minimal editing.
I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like sometimes like I don't know if I can do this. You know, that's a real feeling.
Also, he is just delivering value and trying to connect with his audience. So then, how should you implement this style into your videos? Step 1, वीडियो शूट करने के पहले आप एक रफ प्लानिंग कर लो. वीडियो को ऐसे बनाना है, ऐसे बनाना है. And obviously you have to provide high value production as much as possible. Step 2 is when you talking to the camera, forget about perfectionism. वीडियो को एकदम perfectly बनाना है ऐसा नहीं है. Just start talking to the camera as if it's like your friend basically. And then step 3 is when editing. Forget about the 2-second rule. You don't need to add something on the screen every 2 seconds. Just cut the basic pause and mistake parts and just fill it with some text and graphics. Like you saw the examples of YouTubers in previous. And the last point is very crucial. You can do anything in your videos but not at the cost of sacrificing value and authenticity. I hope that helps.